Recently, I was learning Microsoft Excel and I thought, why don't I create something like creating a project for understanding what I have learned through the way? So I have created this Microsoft Excel dashboard based on the all-time FIFA World Cup statistics, which shows me the all-time top five goal scorers list, the champions bar chart, a host country tree map, and the other statistics for a particular World Cup, like the champion name, runner-up name, the individual awardees, and the total attendance, as well as the booking numbers. So for creating this particular Excel dashboard, I have used datasets from Kaggle.com, which provided me a all-time FIFA World Cup dataset. Also, MavenAnalytics.io, it also provided me another dataset which includes all the FIFA World Cup statistics. Then WorldFootball.net, it provided me a all-time FIFA World Cup scorer list. And lastly, Statista.com, it provided me a dataset of average and total attendance of World Cups along with the booking numbers in the World Cup. Now let's move on to the dashboard. So let's see how dynamically this World Cup dashboard can be operated. So if I select a particular year, like if I select um, 2018, so it will show me the data for 2018, that who was the host, who was the champion, who was the runner-up, and who was the winning captain, who was the winning manager, golden ball winner, golden boot winner, golden gloves, and other winners, along with the attendance numbers and the booking numbers. So if I select another year, and we can see it is dynamically changing for every particular year, it will change dynamically. So yeah, it is how you can operate this slicer, and you can see how the statistics here is changing. And if we want to see for multiple years, if I want to see from 1994 to 2014, who were the top five goal scorers, we can drag it to 1994 to 2014, and we can see these were the top five goal scorers in this main period. That Miroslav Klose, Brazilian Ronaldo, Thomas Muller, and they were the top five goals in this main period. And here we can see the names, and it is showing me that which was the latest edition that I have selected, and it is showing me the latest edition of World Cup um, statistics. Like for 2014, Brazil was the host, Germany was the champion, and the other statistics are showing for the 2014 World Cup. And here is also a fun part. Let's move on to that. What's that? That is, if I want to watch what the particular top scorer for a particular country. Like if I want to watch for the scorer of Argentina of all time. So here is a country slicer where we can select a particular country, and it will show me these countries were the World Cup winners of top five goal scorer in this World Cup editions. So if I select Argentina, so it will show me the all-time top five goal scorer of Argentina. If I select Brazil, it will show me the top five goal scorer for Brazil. We can also select some period like from 1994 to 2022, who are the top five goal scorer of Brazil. It will show me dynamically. And if I want to see that who are the top five goal scorer of only Brazil and Argentina, I have to just press Control and then select here Argentina. So it will show me the top five goal scorer of Argentina and Brazil of all time: Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Pele, etc. So yeah, it is how dynamically you can operate the whole slicers, and particularly it will change all the statistics here and the way you want to see it. So let's see how the datasets I have put here. So here is the World Cup dataset, particularly the host countries winners. You have already seen in the dashboard, and all are inputted here along with the goal scorers. Here we can see the goal scorer from 1930 to 1958. All the goal scorer names are inputted here, and from this particular data set, I have created the pivot table in the next data sheets. So here the host tree map, I have created host countries tree map by creating a pivot table. Then the champions pivot table. Here I had created a bar chart for the champions time, how many times they were champion. Argentina 3 times, Brazil 5 times. And then the goal scorers pivot table, who were the top five goal scorer. Here we can see the top five goal scorer names. And here two slices I have inputted. One is for year and one is for country name. And here the bar chart dynamically change for particular years, like for 1998. Here at first the table is changing, and for that table, for the change in the table, the bar chart is changing here. And lastly, the World Cup pivot table, where we particularly select a country like for 2006, and here the statistics is changing. So here I have to put a particular formula, that is VLOOKUP, which help me to dynamically change all the statistics here for selecting a particular year. For 2018, like I'm selecting here, and all the statistics there is changing, and for this reason in the dashboard it is also dynamically changing. So yeah, this is my whole dashboard. I'm putting the link in the description so you can visit the dashboard anytime, and feel free to operate in your way. You can suggest me what can I change or implement in my dashboard. Also any new idea for my next project. And thank you for watching all along. Assalamu alaikum.